Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of a small purse that I got, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future content. Hit the like button for this video if you want to see more content like it. Seriously guys, hit the subscribe button. Like, it's super easy. It's right there. I see you guys not subscribing but watching. Like, just hit the button. It's fine. It's cool. We're good. We're good. Okay, so I'll explain why I purchased this purse in a minute. Why don't we just jump into unboxing? I'm sure you've seen on the thumbnail like what it is, but I won't keep you in suspense then. I'll just go ahead and unbox it and we can see it, and then I'll go over all the features and tell you why I purchased it. It's so cute. So it actually comes in this little package here. You can see it's a little mini purse. So this is so cute. This is the KORS Bedford Legacy Extra Small Pebbled Leather Duffle Crossbody Bag. That is a mouthful for such a tiny purse. What a huge name for a tiny purse. So this originally is $178. I somehow caught it on sale for $133.50. And I think even my shipping was free. I'll have to check that. I left my computer downstairs, so I don't have all that right in front of me. But in editing, I'll put across here if there was shipping or if it was free. I think it was free, and it got to me in like 2 days. So the reason I got this is, I mean, one, I keep eyeing the little, like the new small Speedy HL or whatever, Speedy BB, whatever. I cannot bring myself to purchase any of those mini bags. They're crazy expensive, and quite honestly, like, I just don't even know if I'll like this size. I don't know if this is the same size as that one. It seems that it would be right around the same size. I can actually, again, like compare the measurements to the Louis Vuitton one for the Speedy one. Anyway, so I just couldn't bring myself to purchase that, like, and spend that amount of money when I happened upon this one for a little over $100. It's black. It's like perfect because it can go with anything. And let me just kind of go over the features on the outside for you. So it's a crossbody purse. It's actually pebbled leather. I don't know if you can see that leather, pebbled leather. It's 100% leather for, you know, normally $178. Like I said, $133. It has gold tone hardware. The width is 6.25 inches by 4.5 inches up and down, and then 3 inches across here. It does have feet on the bottom. The handle is 3.75 inches drop. The adjustable strap that it comes with, I can feel is inside of it. It's 22 to 24 inches, so it is adjustable and, as you can see, removable. And on the exterior, it says it has a card slot, but I don't see it. It says it has a card slot on the exterior, but I don't see a card slot anywhere. Maybe I'm just missing it. No, I'm not. It says it has that, but I don't see it. The interior, like, here's the adjustable strap here. The interior has KORS booklet and a card slot here, if you can see that. Another one has the MSRP stuff. So it has that slip pocket card slot, and the inside is 100% polyester lining. Something that is nice about this one, I don't know if the Louis Vuitton does this, where this actually kind of goes down around the edge here, like the Empreinte Speedy B25 that I have. And then it has, of course, the zip fastening up here. And those are the features. That's crazy it doesn't have exterior pocket, but it says it does. But I feel like this is such a better buy at this point because, one, I don't know if I'm going to carry this all that much, but also it's 100% leather other than the interior. And I just feel like, you know, for that price, you get so much more of like a quality purse, I guess. I don't know. Like, it's really hard because Louis Vuitton, Chanel, all these like fashion houses keep going up on their pricing, but yet their quality doesn't seem to go up with it. Do not get me wrong. I love Louis Vuitton. LV is like my first luxury love. So I won't stop purchasing them. I'll probably just look more on the used market than I have before. But when it comes to these like little trendy bags like this, I just can't bring myself to pay that amount of money. I don't have money just to like throw around. When you guys see me purchase things, it's because I've sold other things, or I've saved up money for a while, or I had birthday money or Christmas money, all the things put together. Like this last year, I saved up a lot of money and did a lot of purchasing at the end of the year, right before the year ended. I also sold quite a few pieces last year. This year I haven't sold as much, but I have purchased because I've saved up again, and I've sold one or two things and that kind of stuff. So I do have a video on how I save and afford luxury. I'll kind of link it up here somewhere. But yeah, I just think this is so stinking cute. The little zipper pull actually says Michael Kors on it. And then around the edges of these pieces, it actually says Michael Kors there. Hopefully it's focusing in for you. I don't know. I'll try to like zoom in. And then of course it says Michael Kors across here. And this little medallion, actually, it looks like it does come off, which is good because I don't really want that dangling off of my purse. Hold on, I'm fighting it to get it off. There we go. So it just comes off like that. It just slips through this piece like this. I apologize, like my fingernails are color stained because I just got home from work. Coloring hair all day. So yeah, like that comes off, and then you have this, and you've got this adjustable MK strap. And you guys know I love changing out my straps. So I wouldn't necessarily put like my Louis Vuitton strap on this one because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like mixing fashion houses like that, I don't know if that's like a do or a don't. It kind of feels like a don't. But there you go, and you have this crazy long strap. So I'll do some mod shots here at the end for you so you can see those. And I hope you enjoyed this cute little unboxing. I'll link it down below so that you guys can find it. Of course, I don't have an affiliate link or anything like that. So when you click that link, it's just taking you to the Michael Kors website so you can check it out. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll talk to you next time. Bye. Hey guys, just want to do a quick unboxing of a small purse I got, so stay tuned to see what it is. Hey guys, just want to do a quick unboxing on my channel. It shouldn't take too long. I'll go over the small. Don't forget to like Pebbled, let's see,